Good morning. It is our last day here in Flåm. We are hiking today. One of these mountains to a waterfall. It's going to be a long day. It's a 3-hour hike.
To the Brekkefossen waterfall.
Yeah.
We're hiking to the Brekkefossen waterfall, which should be really awesome. It's about 3 hours, 5 kilometers. We may go to the top, we may not. It's raining, so we'll see. But overnight, this incredible floating city appeared here, the Jewel of the Sea. And really glad that it wasn't here when we got here yesterday, because it really kind of messes with the view of the fjord. But
this is a multitude of
it's huge.
Of people. Like, what the hell? This is bigger than an apartment building.
It's really huge.
It's like, what the hell?
Pretty crazy.
Anyway, but we're gonna go and eat. There's a Viking.
There's a Viking. Lots of Vikings here. Vikings and trolls are big.
Yeah.
There's a Viking on that tree too. See, there's a Viking carved into that tree.
Yeah. We've loaded up the car. Emerson still has to load up the car, and then this afternoon, after the hike and lunch, we're gonna head over to our next destination.
Actually, we're taking a cruise on the fjord.
Oh yeah, I forgot about the cruise on the fjord. There's that. Talking about cruises, and that's the cruise ship.
Okay, guys, if you love us,
What a monstrosity!
If you love us, and we know you do, and we love you, like, subscribe, please. Okay, let's get on with our day.
Like still the Vikings, you know. The Viking, the king of the Vikings in the area, said like, okay, you're gonna get this piece of land, you're gonna get this piece of land, and he gave piece of land to families, and they're so happy to own something for real, you know, that they start cleaning it, because this is full of avalanches and landslides and everything, you know.
Oh, so they
stacked the stones that was on the ground to delimit their properties, and also to clean it and be able to cultivate it.
Yeah.
Are those babies? They look old to me. Anyway, guys, we are on the walkabout here. And there's a lot of waterfalls. I'm sorry, I forgot the name of this town again.
Flåm.
Flåm. Why do I keep forgetting? Flåm. We're here in Flåm, and we're doing a walk, and we're going to the top of the waterfall, which is there. But where we will be is that hill there with greenery that you see up there. So we'll climb up to that so we can see that waterfall from there. So that's what we're doing today. Very short and sweet. Well, for us it's not short, because we have to walk this whole thing for 3 hours.
Before in Norway, like a long time ago on the farms, they used to have like a very wide roof. So in order for the goats and the sheep not to get eaten by the coyote and the wolves and everything, they used to put them overnight on the roof. So they had like these little pastoral kind of bridges where the goats and the sheep were going to be on the roof overnight, and then they had a little fence for the coyote. And in the morning they opened the fence again, and they left the roof. So that's the reason why they have, like you can see here, so much grass and things to eat on the roof of the house.
Now they use it for insulation.
Yeah. And decoration. Like
and
it
decoration,
looks good,
It looks very
like
beautiful. I like it. Yeah. I always take pictures when I see one.
It's beautiful.
This hike is supposed to be like a 3-hour hike. So far we've hiked from the hotel to this point, which took us approximately about an hour, right? To walk from the hotel to here.
Probably would only take maybe 15 minutes.
But the way we walked it, yeah,
a bunch of time.
yeah, about 45 minutes to an hour, maybe 45 minutes, who knows. We stopped a lot and had conversation and looked, but so now we got to hike up.
30 minutes.
30 minutes? Okay, so it took about 30 minutes.
Yeah, with our eyes.
We made it halfway, I think,
Yeah.
Are we halfway?
Yeah.
Really?
because I see the top over there.
Emerson's like, what?
It's halfway, but yet I'm sweating very profusely. Hey guys, we made it to the top. What a trek. Did a lot of resting along the way, but I made it. Not only that, we have views.
It's Brekkefossen. That's the name of this waterfall, Brekkefossen.
Oh, yes.
Yeah, Fossen is waterfall in Norwegian because it comes at the end of all these waterfalls.
So a trek to the top of this hill affords you this beautiful view all around. The waterfall. Beautiful sound coming from that. Very relaxing, stress relieving, gives you energy immediately. You got the waterways down below. Water from the mountain coming down. You can go, man. You're good. Coming down as it hits the rocks, you see the white waters. I love it. I love it. It was worth the climb. Well worth the climb. Wow. And you can see the cruise ships down below in the fjord. But that's where we walked from. Our hotel is there at the end. We came through down below and climbed up this way and made it all the way up here. So beautiful. I love it. I love it. And that's Rose. She does this trek every morning for breakfast, and then she does it again for dinner, and then she walks back, and then she takes people up like it's nothing. She can do it in her sleep.
Hey guys, so we made it all the way to the Brekkefossen, which is this beautiful waterfall that Oscar showed you. The views are fantastic. Did it as a family, more family fun, family hiking. We had a great guide. This is our guide. This is our guide, Rose. We had a great guide. And the views up here are just spectacular. Just spectacular. Unbelievable. Totally worth it. Feeling happy in Norway.
This was beautiful. Loved it. Took some pictures. Now we're ready for the descent, which should be much easier than the climb, I'm pretty sure. So pretty happy about that. And we are all ready. Had a nice warm drink.
Yes,
Which
our guide
was, what
came
was it?
prepared.
Solbeer juice. So it's no syrup actually, solbeer syrup.
Yeah,
So it's like some kind of blueberry,
yeah.
very very sweet,
Yeah.
lot of sugar and then hot water.
Gives you a lot of energy to climb back down. Yeah, for the Viking. It was a Viking drink. That's what it was. All right, guys. All of a sudden, there's a lot more people here than when we started.
Actually,
So,
the place where you're staying, not Egypt,
And so we're going on a cruise of the narrowest and shallowest fjord in the world.
finally, we're getting on the boat after waiting in line. So, this is Pam. How long is this cruise? About 2 hours? 2-hour cruise. And then
It's taking us through the narrowest, deepest fjord in the world. That's where we're going here.
finish up over. We took a bus to the Apex, and then we jumped on the boat there, and it's taking us back to port where we are staying, so we're gonna jump in the car and drive to our next destination where we have to cross a ferry. It's gonna take about 3 hours to get there, so we enjoying the boat ride before we leave Flåm.
Cold out
That is the end of the tour.
It is. It was lovely. I really enjoyed that. Glad we did
Yep.
it.
And that's so she wrote for Flåm. We are out of here. Next destination, Lowen. So
Do we want any treats from the bakery or?
we're gonna pack up and be on our way. 3-hour drive. So gonna end this vlog here. Thank you for watching. And if you're one of those people who have not yet subscribed but like to watch, could you please consider subscribing? Just hit that subscribe button. Doesn't take that long.
And
Just
remember,
click it.
if you made it this far in the video, we love you more than those other people that were watching. You're cooler. You have more swag.
Thank you guys. See you later. Bye-bye.